Here's the ultimate test for the baby swim ring. It's not sure that he likes it. He's a little bit uncomfortable, but the idea is that he can feel free. The thing is, Mars always wanted to hold your hands and be close to you, so for him it doesn't really feel like the great thing to do out here. I think that doing it in a bathtub with the water temperature perfect for him would be a lot better, so I haven't given up. I don't feel I have to have it to work, but it would be nice to try it out at home or even in Thailand when it's warmer. It's a great way to have your baby to be a part of the fun, but of course they have to like it, otherwise it doesn't make sense. But he's getting used to it while we're speaking. So this isn't too bad, but he really wants to hold hands and wants to have the eye contact with the father. See what this is like. He might have forgotten how it was in the stomach, being a small, tiny baby. Well, now he feels very nice. Is he standing on you or is he just kicking?
He's standing and making some feet massage in my stomach.
Okay. Sorry? Alright. Driving us a truck now, he says.
Well, he likes it. He likes it.
It's a lot of noise here, that's also not the most suitable place. But this little one, he actually likes it. Wearing his shark pacifier as a comforter for this new situation. Anyways, we'll hook up in our house when we get back with the cousin to see if they can try it together and see what it feels like when it's a little warmer.